Hi folks, look at sharper trades. CWBR, this was a day trade that took a little bit, couple of hours, all the way to the lunch hours before making the move. When at 1 o'clock crossed the VWP and then made a rally to the 5 and then 620 resistance. It tried a little bit 20-30 minutes later, but didn't get any follow through. And then eventually when it tried again and fell, it rolled over and back above. Still the BWP is 640. So this again, as a day trade done, the volume is good. 50 is huge, 50 million traded shares. Let's see if this one extends. 8, 11, 14, and 17 are the next targets. Support is today opening price and 350 if it pulls back. HTCR, fantastic day trade. This one out of the gate showed bullish energy. As you can see, it moved sideways for a couple of minutes above 180. And then when it crossed the $2 level and the VWP, this was a trigger. And the opening high was 205. So there was a buy point. Pop pullback, consolidate above the VWP, and then rallied 240, 285. And then went as high as 332. That was the place to exit. It's posted in TradingRoom, consolidated for another hour, and then made the pullback. And as a day trade, on the daily chart, still shows quite a bit of strength with a good volume, but the presence of the upper shadow suggests selling. So support is 2. LFCR, another strong day trade. They took this one an hour of consolidation, forming this ascending triangle. And then when it popped the top right there, it reached the first target 720, 8, second target, and then accelerating. Look at this vertical ascension all the way to 9. That was the place to exit. When it did a pullback and tried again, stalled at 902 and then rolled over. That was a sell. Did a bit of a recovery, but didn't get the follow through. So kind of volatile, actually quite volatile. But for us, worked really well through the first part of the morning. On the daily chart, again, nothing else to do for us, was just a day trade. If you are in this position, the 200 SMA is your support. OCEA, another day trade, fantastic. This one out of the gate also made a consolidation pop to the target 870 and then did a pullback, stabilize above 8. And then consolidated again above the VWP and rally 10 and 1160, 1164, and then did a pullback and bounce at the VWP. Usually, when something reaches the second target, take some profit. Third target, definitely out. And then the VWP held, but then on the second try, fell and rolled over. So this again, done. All right, folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow.